Welcome coders. Today, I'll show you how to deploy Bolt.New AI-generated website on Hostinger in just a few simple steps. If you've built something cool using Bolt.New AI, but are you unsure how to get it live on the internet, this video is for you. I just added prompt to make to-do app for task management in Next.js framework. And after a second, it start making code for me. If I need to edit something, I just tell AI to update the thing as I want, and it's updating as I need. Start by designing the user interface to make task management intuitive and user-friendly. At last, check your website is working perfectly without error or not. Once you're satisfied, download the generated code and get ready to deploy it. Click on Download button. It's free to download our generated website code. We can see our source code downloaded successfully. Next step is save the file in your desktop or any of the path as you want. Now just extract the zip file as a folder. Click on Extract All option, and it will extract all the source code in one folder. We can see we have a source code of that website that we made with Bolt.New. Now we can deploy this website source code on Hostinger VPS. Go to your browser and click on YouTube. Now, search my YouTube channel name, VBM Coder, and press Enter button. Now, click on my YouTube channel and go to Videos section. Then click on the latest video. After, scroll down and go to the video description. You can see there is my affiliate link of Hostinger VPS. If you sign up with my affiliate link, you will get extra 10% of discount. After, you can see, you will be redirected to Hostinger official website. Now, scroll down and choose your VPS hosting plan for your budget. The best thing about Hostinger is, gives you 30 days money-back guarantee for your VPS hosting plan. You can choose plan according to your budget. Then click on Choose Plan button, and you will redirect to the cart page. Then choose 12 months for 1 year hosting. Your total cost will be 5,508 Indian rupees. If you use my coupon code, then you will get extra 10% discount. Click on Apply button, then your price will be decreased by 10%. Then finally click on Continue button. If you are on first time on Hostinger, then I recommend it to sign up with my affiliate link. I will provide my affiliate link in this video description. Let me sign up with my Google account. After sign up, you will get billing address page. Fill your details like first name, last name, your phone number, your country, your street address, your city, your state, your zip code. After filling this details, just hit on Continue button. Also, verify your VPS name and plan details. After verify your details, click on Continue button. Now, choose your payment method. If you are outside of India, then choose PayPal or credit card option. And, if you are from India, then choose any options that you have. Then pay with your payment option. After your payment is successful, you will redirect to VPS setup page. Select your server location. But make sure to select your server location as per low latency. I choose Asia for Indian server because I am from India. Now click on OS with panel button. Then click on CloudPanel. This is Ubuntu operating system. But they provide CloudPanel, so it's make easy for us. It's popular, so we use it without any issue. We can host all type of website here. Now click on Select button. Then click on Next. After we will redirect to this page. Create new root password, and save it to your notepad or anywhere you want. Also create panel password, also save it to your notepad. Copy your password and save to notepad, with root password. Same for the panel password. Copy this password and save to your notepad. Then uncheck this malware scanner, then click on Next button. After that steps, your VPS is automatic setting up. Just run this process, then wait for some time. You just have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Now your VPS is live. We can see the name of our VPS and more details about it. When you come to the main home page, you can see your VPS details. Now click on Manage button to manage our VPS. We can see we have some details about VPS. And our VPS status is running. Click on Operating System. Then click on Manage Panel button. If you see like this, then just click on Advance button. This is our VPS IP address, but we don't have SSL certification, so it's showing not secure. Now click on Proceed to Unsafe. Now we can log in our credentials that we saved in our notepad. But we need to log in with panel username and password. Just copy the username and paste on panel. And enter your panel password that we created before. After fill your credentials, click on Login. We are in our CloudPanel dashboard. In this dashboard, we can see our system usages and our system information. Go to the sites and we can see they are empty. Click on Add Site button. And we got options for which type of website we want to host. There are 6 options for hosting sites like WordPress, Python, Node.js, PHP, HTML, etc. In this video we will host Node.js site. Then just click on Node.js option. Enter your subdomain name. At your domain name field, choose Node 22 LTS version. Enter app port number. I enter 3001 because I have already deployed Shop app on 3000 port number. Now add your site username and password. Save the details on your notepad or anywhere else, because we need this details for login our app on CloudPanel. Now click on Create button. It will automatically create the configuration on CloudPanel. Now our site is ready to deploy. The second one is my old e-commerce site that I deployed on last week. But we need to set up our Bolt AI source code. So just click on Manage button of Bolt domain name. You will enter in settings of that site. Click on File Manager. Then click on htdocs folder. Now click on Bolt subdomain folder name. The folder is empty, so we can upload our source code here, directly drag and drop. Go to your system, and select your source code files, and just drag and drop the files on that subdomain folder. Before upload the source code, please unselect your .next folder. Then you can upload your source code directly. In a 5 to 6 seconds, our source code will upload successfully. After, just verify your source code. Go to Hostinger panel, and go to Overview, then go to SSH Access option. You just copy this SSH connection code. Now open your system terminal as Run as Administrator. And paste the SSH connection code on your terminal. Now press Enter button. And enter your root password that you saved on your notepad. Password will not appear because of security reason. Now you are successfully logged in on your VPS terminal. Now clear the terminal. This is the IP address. The CloudPanel is running on this IP address. Now clear the terminal. Go to your CloudPanel, and go to your site manager. And you can see your site username. We just need to go inside the site of this username. Open terminal, and follow the commands that I type. Sudo su, site user. Username is our Bolt username. Press enter button. And now we are in our site user. Now you can verify your files with File Manager on your CloudPanel. Click on Manage button of Bolt username. Then click on File Manager. Go to htdocs folder. Then go to Bolt subdomain folder. We need to go inside this folder with terminal. Follow the commands. Now we are in our Bolt source code folder. You can verify your code folders with CloudPanel File Manager. Clear the terminal. And type npm install command. This command will install node modules to run this app perfectly. Wait for some times like 1 or 2 minutes. After a minute, our node modules install successfully. You can verify the folder name. Now run npm run build command. It will create build for us to run our app smoothly. It will take 5 minutes for first time build. After 5 minutes our build successfully. Now run npm run start command to start our app, but there is an issue, our app will not run in 3000 port. We need a 3001 port number in our package.json file. Now open our package.json file, and need to add port number of 3001. Follow this command to edit the file. Nano space package.json. Our file has been opened. We just need to edit one thing in the start scripts. Just enter the port number as I type, -p space 3001. Now press Ctrl+O, then press Enter button. Now press Ctrl+X at same time for exit. Now we can verify, our file edited or not with this command. We can see our port number has been added. When we start our app, then it will run on 3001 port. Before start, we need to build our app, because we made changes in our source code. Whenever we change the things in our source code, we have to build our app. Our app builds successfully. Let's check our app will start or not. We still have an issue. We need to remove output from next.config.js file. Let's edit the next.config.js file with nano command. We just need to remove output equals export line from this file. Just remove it and your problem will be solved. Now save the file. Now verify the things that we deleted. We can see, output line has been removed successfully. Now we need to run build command again, because we made changes. Let's start our app with npm run start command. We can see, our app started successfully without an error on 3001 port. Now go to our CloudPanel admin area. Then click on Security option. Then click on Add Rule button. Choose HTTP option. Enter 3001 port number. Then select anywhere IPv4. Then enter description as Bolt app. Now click on Add Rule button. Our rule added successfully. You can verify it. Now we can access our port number to run our website. Now our app is running on VPS IP address with port number 3001. Just copy the IP address of our VPS and paste on browser with 3001 port number. We can see our website is running. You can verify the code is perfectly working or not by testing the task and functions. Let's add one task name. Our app is working perfectly. We can add task, edit the task and delete the task. This app is perfectly working with the function and databases. The dashboard is looking pretty, and it's showing perfect data analytics. But when we stop our terminal, then our app will not work in background. You can check by refresh the page. To fix this issue, we need to install PM2 Process Manager for our app. Just install PM2 package globally, with npm install-g PM2 command. Our PM2 package installs successfully. Now we just start our app with this PM2 command for one time only. And our app will run in background. Just type same command to start our app. We can see our app started successfully. Reload the website and check our website is working or not. Yes, our website is running. Let's check one thing. If we close the terminal, then it will work or not. Yes, it's working perfectly. But this website is running on VPS IP address, so we need to add our domain name. Go to your domain name provider, and go to your domain name DNS settings. Click on Add More Records and select Type as a record. On Name, enter your subdomain name as Bolt. Then at Value field, enter your VPS IP address. You can copy your VPS IP address from your VPS Manage panel and paste on Value field. Then save the record. If you want to full access of your domain name in VPS for subdomains, then you need to add this record on your domain name DNS records. This will allow you to access all the subdomain name for your VPS IP address. Go to SSL/TLS option. We can see our domain name is showing here. And our SSL certificate is installed. Now check our domain name on browser. We can see our SSL not installed, but click on Proceed to unsave for now. Our website is working on our domain name. But there is not SSL certificate installed in domain name. Go to CloudPanel again and click on Actions button. Then click on First option. Now click on Create and Install button. It will automatically create SSL certificate for our domain name. After a minute, our SSL certificate successfully installed. After 10 or 20 minutes, refresh your website. Then you can see Our SSL certificate installed successfully. Our connection is secure now and certification is also valid. Now, there is no issue in our website.